Rose, the trade war between the United States and China has officially escalated. On Friday, the U.S. raised tariffs to 25% on $200 billion of Chinese goods and threatened another $325 billion shortly. At the same time, Chinese negotiators went home without striking a deal. Then on Monday, China retaliated and announced they were raising tariffs to 25% on $60 billion of U.S. goods to go into effect on June 1st. Joining us to talk more about the China trade situation is American Farm Bureau Chief Economist John Newton. John, trade wars are never good for anybody, but talk about this. We've got retaliation going back and forth both ways, right?
Yeah, at this point, it's like an episode of Groundhog Day. The list has been published. I don't have it available to me now, but they've increased tariffs on about $60 billion worth of products going into China of up to 25%. Given that we do export a lot of agricultural and food products to China, I could imagine some of those products are going to be on the list.
John, this trade war has lasted longer than a lot of folks had thought. How much longer do you think it's going to last, and how much longer can American agriculture withstand the pain?
You know, I wish I had an answer for how much longer this could last. I think it's going to last as long as it takes for the administration to get some sort of resolution for some of these things with respect to China, on the intellectual property theft, with the forced technology transfer, getting them to be more fair trading partners with the United States is the goal of the administration. So I think it lasts as long as it may take. I think our farmers and ranchers, this is the second year now of planting a crop with that uncertainty around demand. I think folks would love to see a resolution soon, but we still got old crop that we're going to need to sell, and then new crop that's going to be coming to the market this fall. The certainty of knowing we've got a market there for that will be good for farmers and ranchers. How much longer folks can wait this out, I think that's on an individual farmer, and depends on what their risk management and marketing strategy may be.
As usual, a pleasure. John Newton joining us with the American Farm Bureau Federation.